Okay. This is funny. Let's see. We were at the funeral for the guy from the companions that died. And now everybody, because they weren't doing anything, Scott did a shout with my person, and now they're all fighting each other and knocking each other over and crap like that. So it's nuts. But you should have seen it when it actually was a fire, because it was
one guy's swinging something with us.
This is the most messed up funeral I've ever seen.
What the heck?
Whoa!
Yeah, guards showing up.
Whoa! Whoa!
Guess what? It's the companions against everyone.
What the heck? This is nuts.
Looks like the companions got our side. Let's try this again.
Yeah, let's try this again, shall we? Anyway, yeah.